Today I've got another short video for you demonstrating a simple but really useful feature in the Hacker add-on for Blender. If we click on our Hacker Workspace tab, we can come down here. This feature is called the Quick Expand, and this is actually a UI feature I plan to implement in other add-ons in the future as well. So this is really cool. What this does is it automatically expands this editor and collapses it. And I think I mentioned this in another video. Really the cool thing about this is not the maybe 0.5 milliseconds it saves you from doing that. The part that I like is that it's able to bring the screen back down to exactly where you last left it. So you're not really wasting so much time doing that. I get that. I mean, you are moving your finger less, you're holding your finger down less, and you're shaving off a few seconds. And if you can shave off a few seconds anywhere, why not do it? However, you're saving a little more mental energy when you're not bringing this back down to how it was regular or whatever. So this is especially useful when you are down here in the Python console, or you have toggled it to the info editor and things start getting unruly and you just want to look in there real quick to find something, or expand this so you can more easily see these values popping up here in the Python console, which is in turbocharged mode, more or less. Basically, it's firing autocomplete upon every key press, which is an option in Hacker. You can disable that if you want, and then it will only autocomplete if you press it. But these are useful together. So the other really neat thing about this is that it will remember two different states of where you keep this line, basically. So if we set this here, and then press this up, and then press it down, it remembers where it was. Same thing for when it goes all the way up. So if you wanted this to, when you open it up, say take up the entire screen, you could, and then bring it back up down. Same thing for like this. So if you wanted to keep the code editor to where you have, more screen real estate here, you can, except for when you want to, look into there. It's totally possible. And if you want to save these settings into your workspace, you can always come to File, Defaults, and press Save Startup File. So that's pretty much it for the Quick Expand feature.